Tosoyani. What does that mean? Tosoyani.
Move forward. Move away.
Tosoyani with your tickets.
Well, everybody, here with Stino and Big T. We're going for a drive down to McDonald's for a little promo. Catch a ride with us.
Let's go.
Whoa!
So, for the 2024 Shop and Save Rugby season, can I get you both to talk about what was your favorite memory that you have?
My favorite memory is winning home games, especially when the siren goes on and the crowd just goes wild. Or whenever when we score a try or when we celebrate something, the crowd is always go wild. That's my favorite moment.
The crowd's amazing.
I think my favorite moment was when we played the Western Force in Lautoka and it was pouring down. I mean, that's the first experience I've ever had playing in that type of weather. So yeah.
Yeah, for most of us, it's like backyard playing, you know, when it's raining.
Yeah.
Well, my favorite moment was yours, you know, when you played against the Blues and you carved them up and you scored the try. But then I want to ask you the question, like, do you know how you dove in the air and then you stood up and there was a little, you know, punch in the air? Do you think about that, or does it just come naturally, or?
I was just so excited, you know, making that line break, and then when I saw the try line, I always make my way to the, you know, I always do my diving thing.
Do you, Big T, do you, if you ever score a try, I know you've scored a few times, but would you do a dive as well?
No, because I might wind myself. So.
Well, for me as a fan, when I'm in the crowd, I mean, it's always inspiring when you come to watch. I came to watch the game against the Hurricanes and the game against Highlanders, and man, I don't know how you guys feel it on the field, but for us, just to be there shouting and you guys running in and out, I wish I was on the field with you guys, but yeah, it's a different experience altogether.
Well, next year you will,
Bro.
on the sideline.
Bro. And I mean, in terms of pre-season, you know, what are you guys working on, you know, just to improve on? And I know we reached the quarterfinals 2 times in a row, and now we want to get to the semis, you know, if possible. But you know, what are you working on as a team and as an individual to sort of, you know, be your best when the season starts?
For me, it's just at the moment just rehabbing my knee, making sure I get to 100%. Also working on myself, getting those extra calorie burners, some fitness in, and just being ready for next season to rip back into it.
I think for myself, I just need to get my shoulder right, get it strong again, and gonna try and get it working first. And just for the team, they're trying to get their fitness up and getting some knowledge into them as well, and practicing their skills and stuff.
Do you two have someone that you know you like to face off against? Like, who's your favorite player to face off against? Maybe favorite team, and then your favorite opponent. You know, makes you, you know, gets the best out of you.
My favorite game is playing against the Crusaders, because I also play in their region in New Zealand. So I have a lot of mates in there, and then to play against, I got a lot of friends in Moana Pacifica, so I like playing against them as well.
Against the Chiefs, I love going against Teninana Suturo. He's a good player, he's a good stepper. I've always looked up to him, and yeah,
And is your step from somebody? Do you pull from someone in terms of your side step?
It depends on how you practice it.
Yeah.
The more you practice, the more you get what to do.
Yeah. Oh, 2025 season. Right, so we have 7 games coming to Fiji, 4 in Suva, and 3 in Lautoka. For you both, you know, what's one game you're looking forward to? So, you know, we have a mixture. We have the Brumbies, I think of the Chiefs, Crusaders, Blues. We have a big number. Waratahs, I think, are coming. The Reds and Western Force. So for you two, one Australian and one New Zealand team. Like, which team are you looking forward to match up against this year?
First game, that's against Chiefs.
Right.
and that's the team that I've always wanted to play against. As always, and for the Australian team, Waratahs.
So Waratahs, is there any special reason why the Waratahs, not the Brumbies?
It's just you answered it.
I what? It's your own question.
That's only me up. You're not the spokesperson.
No, when we play against the Waratahs, it's always been a rivalry. Yeah, it's been like that from the first year until this year, and we finally got the win. And we just gotta try and back it up again next year.
Oh, we will. You big T?
I think for me, for New Zealand base, I would like to play against the Highlanders to get one up on them, and then also the Western Force to show them that this is our home.
Get your tickets at Drua.rugby, and all you Fijian fans in the away games, show up for our boys. You know, we're all family at Vuvale. Bring that Vuvale support. Drua.rugby. So the only way to find out is to be there. So purchase your tickets. Tickets are selling out fast. Right, mate. Already, like there was someone who purchased all the way from Switzerland. And also like the Chiefs game and Blues game are selling out quickly, and the away fans are buying a lot. So get the tickets going, Fiji.
I have a question for you from a fan this year, and to be working with Drua next year. How do you feel about that?
Mate, like I know it's cliche, but it's a dream come true. But the other side is, you know how we are as fans. Like on the outside, I think I was very judgmental. You know, when going like I'm a big Fijian fan, Drua fan. So when we win, I'm there. And like any other ordinary Fijian, when we lose, I'm your biggest critic. But now that I'm on the other side, I think I'm a bit more empathetic because I can see you guys training. I see you guys show up every day. And now I'm more motivated. I think I'm a bigger fan and more motivated because I'm invested, right? And I have a part to play as well. Like my job is to sell as much tickets as possible. And I think we're doing that in tandem. You guys are working hard in the gym every day. I see that. And so my job is to come in, put my brain power into something and come up with a product that our fans can enjoy. You know, not just you. Like half the job is done because you guys are doing so well. And you have the likes of you, Big T and Selestino. So my job is a bit easier there. But yeah, it's a dream come true. Aww.
Purchase your tickets.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, we have hospitality packages and bus packages too. The bus packages, I think, really is about us trying to find a solution for people to get to the games. So we offer, grass embankment prices are $20 for Suva, and I think $30 for Lautoka. And from wherever you're going, the difference is your bus price. So if you see, I think bus prices start from $33 for Suva, and I think about 40 something bucks for Lautoka. So the difference, $13, $15 is your bus price, and that's return trip. So we pick it from wherever, we take it to Lautoka or Suva. We have a player that's waiting for you, gives you a flag, and you get to watch the game. And then we take you on the bus again and drop you off wherever we picked you from. So you're organizing the Yasa, your youth group, or your Matangali or whatever. We got a package for you, mate.
Nice.
Okay. As a fan, I'm going to ask you why do you think we should come to your home games? Do you want us to come to your home games? Okay, never mind, they don't want us to come, stay home.
Thank you for watching. See you on 2025. Get your tickets.
Mother.
See you later. Let's go have some macas.